While some students are trying to figure out what college to transfer to or what class to take next, others may be wondering if they chose the community college that will produce the best results during their academic career. College of the Canyon's updated scorecard is the perfect tool for students to look at to find out the success of students from the past.
The real critical thing you want to look at is completion rates. So what it's saying is that how successful are students at completing at that specific community college. And when I say completing, it's talking about, did you get a certificate? Did you transfer to a four-year school? Did you get your AA degree?
Battle says that the scorecard is really for the student with specific goals, and that it gives them the ability to look at their college and see how well students have and are completing their goals. The CLC scorecard is taken from data that may be considered historical.
The most recent data actually looks at its 2006-2007 cohort, and then every year from that, because really it's taking, when you look at things like completion, obviously you need to find that data. Did that student transfer? So, sometimes it takes a while to understand, okay, did that student actually go to Cal State Northridge, USC, UCLA?
The scorecard's basic goal is to help students make smart educational.
Say you're in the San Fernando Valley. If you're in Northridge, for instance, you could take a look and say, well, I want to go to a community college, but within a 30-mile radius, I've got 5 different community colleges, 3 different districts. So which one do you choose? And this is just another thing, I think, to help students really make an informed decision. How well is that student graduating, or how well is that community college helping its students graduate?
The scorecard is also a tool that transferring students can use to look at prospective universities and make informed decisions by visiting www.whitehouse.gov and searching for college scorecards. For Cougar News, I'm Stacy Lewis.